Hands-on learning from anywhere. How virtual IT labs are making IT education accessible. Keeping up with the latest advancements is an absolute must for any IT professional worth their salt. However, gaining hands-on experience with complex IT infrastructure can be challenging, especially for those who don't have access to high-end hardware or lack training resources. That's where virtual IT labs come in. These labs offer a simulated environment for individuals to gain practical experience with various IT technologies without the need for physical infrastructure. In this blog, we will discuss the benefits of virtual IT labs, how they are making IT education more accessible, and how they are shaping the future of IT training. If you're an IT professional looking to improve your skills or an educator searching for innovative teaching methods, this blog is for you. Benefits of virtual IT labs. Virtual IT labs offer a range of benefits for IT professionals and educators alike. One of the most significant advantages is gaining practical experience with various IT technologies in a simulated environment. This provides a safe and controlled space for individuals to experiment and make mistakes without the risk of damaging physical hardware. In addition, virtual IT labs offer a cost-effective solution to the challenges faced by individuals lacking access to high-end hardware or training resources. By eliminating the need for physical infrastructure, virtual IT labs make IT education more accessible to a broader audience, regardless of their location or financial resources. ReadyTech's virtual IT lab solution. At ReadyTech, we understand that every organization has a unique requirement when it comes to virtual IT labs. That's why we offer a range of flexible solutions to meet your specific needs. Whether you prefer to connect using a third-party cloud provider, host on our cloud, access bare metal servers, or use custom equipment, we've got you covered. Our goal is to provide you with the ideal virtual IT lab solution that suits your organization's needs and requirements. Access Cloud Provider Hosted. Access's user-friendly training interface helps you save money while managing course templates, lab plans, and class schedules. You can start, pause, or terminate virtual training labs according to your schedule, which allows you to reduce unnecessary cloud provider costs. This scheduling feature ensures that virtual machines are only running when needed, helping to keep your overall expense low. With Access, you can enjoy on-demand lab access. Let students access training labs when and where they need them, all while keeping costs under control. Easy-to-use interface. Simplify the lab management process and isolate training staff from the intricacies of working with the cloud provider console. We offer an easy-to-use, training-focused interface that enables you to manage and deploy virtual labs easily. This intuitive interface allows you to work with familiar objects such as course templates, classes, and student seats. Streamlined scheduling. Access provides you with the flexibility to choose the cloud vendor that best suits your specific requirements, whether you need a particular platform, regional availability, or a preferred price. You can easily schedule and deploy your labs with one of the major cloud providers, ensuring that you have the right resources available when you need them. ReadyTech Hosted Labs. Our hosted labs allow our customers to access our ReadyTech owned and managed infrastructure. We offer bare metal, cloud, and custom hardware hosting options that enable customers to configure complex lab setups based on their specific needs. Our bare metal systems can be configured as an ESXi host, while our cloud hosting option is ideal for customers who require access to a single virtual machine. Cloud Labs. Train globally without limits. Our cloud labs deliver ultimate performance and accessibility everywhere around the world. With data centers strategically located in California, the Netherlands, and Singapore, our cloud labs are an excellent option for customers who want to take advantage of our extensive global infrastructure. We designed our cloud from the ground up to deliver the ultimate solution for international IT training labs, so your students can access their required training from anywhere in the world. Bare Metal Labs. Upgrade your lab environment with the unbeatable performance of bare metal servers. Avoid the drawbacks of cloud-based solutions and take control of your training. When it comes to setting up a lab environment that requires access to a hypervisor such as ESXi or Hyper-V, bare metal servers offer an ideal solution. With bare metal servers, you can avoid the performance issues that can arise from double virtualizing on a cloud-based solution, ensuring that your lab environment runs smoothly and efficiently. Bare metal servers provide a range of benefits beyond just high-quality lab performance. IT professionals and students can enjoy faster response times, greater customization, and increased control over their lab environment. Additionally, bare metal servers allow for more flexible networking topologies, providing options that may not be available in a cloud-based solution. Custom Labs. Unlock the full potential of your training with our Custom Lab solution. No challenge too complex, no equipment too abstract. As a technology company, we understand that many organizations require custom or complex hardware access to meet their training needs. Whether you need to train on a proprietary network, security equipment, BIOS-level programming, or abstract wireless equipment, we have the expertise and resources to host your virtual IT lab environment and scale it to your needs. Our team can host your proprietary equipment in our data centers, ensuring you have access to the resources needed to train your team effectively. Alternatively, we can securely connect to your equipment in your office or data center, allowing you to leverage your existing infrastructure without compromising security. Our hosted labs also come with the Instructor-Led and self-paced portals that integrate seamlessly into your training program. This makes it easy for you to manage your training and provide your students with the resources they need to succeed. With an easy, all-inclusive pay-as-you-go pricing model, our ReadyTech owned and managed infrastructure ensures that your labs are reliable, secure, and always available when you need them. How virtual IT labs are making IT education more accessible. The future of IT education is here. With remote work and online learning on the rise, virtual IT labs are becoming an increasingly popular solution for anyone seeking to boost their IT skills without needing costly physical infrastructure. These cutting-edge labs are changing the game when it comes to gaining practical experience in a safe, controlled environment to experiment and make mistakes without the risk of damaging physical hardware. Here are just a few ways ReadyTech's virtual IT labs are making IT education more accessible globally. 1. Clients can use our virtual IT labs for a variety of training scenarios, including certification preparation, product training, and software development. 2. Our solutions are designed to integrate seamlessly within existing training programs, ensuring a smooth transition to virtual training without sacrificing quality or student engagement. 3. Virtual IT labs can help bridge the skills gap in the IT industry by allowing individuals to develop the technical skills that are in high demand. 4. By eliminating the need for high-end hardware and costly physical infrastructure, virtual IT labs can help the playing field for individuals who may not have access to the resources necessary to gain practical experience with the latest technologies. 5. With virtual IT labs, organizations can save money on physical infrastructure, maintenance, and ongoing support costs. This allows organizations to allocate more resources toward training and development. The future of IT training. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, the future of IT training will continue to evolve to meet the changing needs of professionals and students. Virtual IT labs will play an increasingly important role in providing individuals with the practical experience they need to stay ahead of the curve. One trend likely to shape the future of IT training is the increased focus on personalized learning. Virtual IT labs allow individuals to work at their own pace and on their own schedule, making it easier to tailor learning experience to individual needs and preferences. This personalized approach can help individuals to master complex concepts more quickly and effectively, leading to better outcomes and more successful careers. Increased use of artificial intelligence and machine learning will also play a role in the shaping of the future of IT training. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way we learn by providing personalized feedback and insights based on individual performance, helping individuals identify areas where they need to improve and develop their skills more quickly and effectively. Finally, as virtual IT labs become more sophisticated and powerful, we can expect to see increased collaboration between industry and academia. Virtual IT labs provide a platform for professionals and students to work together on real-world projects and develop innovative solutions to complex problems. This collaboration can bridge the gap between academic theory and practical application, leading to a more meaningful and impactful learning experience.